Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of the Money Tree Robo Pro web series. Now in this video I will be going through some menu options and also what is available on the previous premium services and things like that. So let's begin. So if I go to premium services, these are the options which are available. In my previous video I have spoken about what is available in premium services and what is not. So if you have not watched that, you can actually go through it. So these are the options provided in premium services. Probably I want to go through in one of my later videos, because this is not available for free version. So um, I wanted to make it as the series in parts, so that you understand some of the basic features which are actually available for free. So there is a free offer if you want to get the premium services also. The owner of this particular app is an associate partner of Zerodha and Upstocks. So if you open an account with one of these brokers, stock brokers, you can get 1 year Money Tree Robo Pro premium services for free. Now the second option is proper trading and investing guidance, which you can actually get it from the owner itself. You can follow Monetary Robo Pro Twitter channel handle too, if you have any questions on this. Free webinar training. There is a free webinar training which does happen. I'm not sure about the schedule and the details. And the fourth one is stock market analysis and direction through WhatsApp. So I think there is for premium members there is a free WhatsApp group from which proper analysis and direction is provided on it. Personal investment care, stock ideas, portfolio as per. Some of these features are already available on the app itself. So you actually don't need to be dependent on one person. However, there is a WhatsApp group and also support provided in this. Free newsletters, and the last but not the least, any type of query and advice on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp group will be available especially for premium members. So if you do not know about Zerodha and Upstocks, these are discount brokers. Zerodha is the first discount broker in India, which actually started this kind of discount brokerage. Discount brokers are brokers from which you can actually get very less to minimal to zero brokerage on some schedules, like as you see, equity delivery. If you are taking a stock delivery of any particular stock, then the brokerage charges are completely free. That does not mean that there are no other transaction charges, just means the brokerage is not charged at all. So again, Upstocks also has similar features, and we also have a couple of more discount brokerage similar like this, but this is about discount brokers. So that's pretty much about the premium services and the free offers. That means you can actually get premium services for free for 1 year if you open an account under the ID of here. If you open an account, and this usually offer does come from time to time. Anyway, so these are the offers available. So let's go. So what I usually do here in this particular app, as soon as you install this app, this is something which you click on. You can click on market and then click on indices. If you click on indices, you would have a general overview of how the markets are behaving for today or at this point of time. India VIX, Nifty Junior, Mid Cap, CNX Service, CNX Realty, PSU Banks. How are they performing? So plus, minus, intraday buy, intraday sell, where exactly? So as you can see here, Bank Nifty was actually strong today. However, Nifty was a little weak, as you can see. But you have to understand that the main page will give you a clear just an overview. If you have just joined, this page will give you a clear indication of weakness and the strong sectors in the market. Now You can click on global market to see how the global markets are performing as per the live charts, and how whether which markets are plus or minus, positive and negative. Then you can click on sectors. This is the third option which you should check. um, of course you have to there are other options from which you can actually see whether which sector is performing well. However, if you are specifically if you have any specific interest on specific sector like banking for example, you can click on banking and see how the sector itself is performing. And the banking, so you would see here jackpot buy. So overall you can see here some are neutral, some are some are looking very strong buys, and I don't see any sell signals here. So that will give you a clear picture of the banking sector looks strong for the day. Again, once you go back to sectors, you can click on autos, and once you go here, you will once you see the signals here, it's neutral, short term sell, and downtrend, long term buy. So it's mixed, it's mixed here. So better it's basically more of stock specific, so better to stay away for now for the day. So in this way you can actually have an overview of the sectors. And again, you go back to sectors again and see the sectors where you are specifically interested in. You can actually see whether that sector itself is strong or not. Again, Nifty next 50, if you are someone who specifically invests on Nifty, you can click on Nifty 50 and see if the Nifty itself is looking strong or not. As I told you, once you see the yes, so you would see here the Nifty stocks, and as you can see here, the Nifty is actually some of the stocks are pulling it down, but overall the market actually didn't had any kind of fall as such. So that's pretty much in this part here. I will specifically prepare for one section in the next part, and then make further parts. Since I had some gap from the first part, I wanted to make it a video about how to use this app if you are a total beginner. So hope you enjoyed this informative video on the part 2, and I will see you again on the next part.